how many.
Yeah, me too.
We saw them before.
And they are moving here, am I right? Look at that.
You drive. How come? No way.
This is like bird mania.
Yep.
What happened to them?
I don't know.
Are they okay?
Yeah.
Something wrong maybe because of them flying here, am I right?
Some people say when birds circle around, lots of birds circle around together, they're getting ready to attack
Attack what?
Attack for what?
someone or something.
No way.